Shalom family, welcome back to my channel. I thank you all for all those who are sharing my videos, but today I wanted to switch it up and go back to the reason why I named my channel The Wife Life. So today I'm going to be doing a video on ways I cater to my husband and show him that I appreciate him. The first way I like to cater to my husband is, of course, doing self-care for myself. I feel like if I'm taken care of, then I can take care of everybody else. So I like to take the time to work out, even if I have my kiddos with me. I'm just taking the time to work out really quick before I prepare for his arrival.
Even the tiniest bluebird has to leave its nest to fly. Bluebird can do, you can do too.
After my workout, I like to go ahead and take a bath, shower, get fresh, and wash my hair to make sure that I am smelling good and I feel good myself, and I'm confident enough to be around my husband. So yes, I like to do that. Take the time to moisturize my hair, lay my edges, and I just decided to put my hair back for now in a head wrap just so that I could do my makeup. This is not how I'm going to style my head wrap.
Ladies and gentlemen, it was a
Now I'm just taking the time to put myself a little bit more together by painting my nails. I actually love doing my nails, my own nails. These are literally just press-ons with adding a little bit of polish. I feel like it makes me feel a little bit more put together. So if you have any extra time, take the time just to do your nails. The scriptures do say that a man loved nothing better than a beautiful woman. So I suggest a way to cater to your husband is just to take a little bit more time than you normally take to put yourself together. Once my nails dried, I decided to go ahead and do a quick pickup in the living room where the kids mostly play to make sure everything is nice and neat before he arrives. Here I'm putting on just a little makeup, nothing too much, just to kind of, cover up my blemishes and all that. My face is going through a bit of a breakout, so I didn't want to put too much on. So I'm just applying some BB cream, concealer, a little bronzer, and some mascara.
You better wait here. I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Even 10 minutes is a long time to be away from you.
And how could I forget? Definitely applying some gloss to complete the look. Another way I love to cater to my husband is by cooking the food he loves along with the food he needs. So here I am about to put some marinated chicken wings in the oven. He loves chicken, especially flats. So I'm putting that in the oven, and that's been marinating. I also decided to go ahead and fry up some asparagus. This is one of his favorite vegetables, so I like to get that nice and seasoned and crispy and tender, just how he likes it.
Come now, the real reason, the truth.
Once I got the kiddos in the bed, I decided to go ahead and get the house smelling good. I don't know about you, but my husband is definitely big on smells. So I lit a candle. Also, I lit an incense and decided to spray one of my favorite room refreshers by Mrs. Myers. I think it's the honeysuckle scent. I've used this spray for a while, so I decided to go ahead and spray that. And that just kind of adds the finishing touches onto the home, making sure that it's peaceful, calm, and inviting for him to relax. And at the end of the day, you do want to do what is pleasing to your husband. Everybody's husband is different, so study him, find out what he likes, and do your thing, sis. And finally, my Lord is home. I'm so happy to see him. He was gone for a few days, but hey, a few days can feel like forever. So I was just glad that he was home safe and in one piece. And while my husband is eating and enjoying his dinner, I decided to go ahead and run a hot bath for him. This is another way I love to cater to my husband, is by preparing a warm bath for him and making sure that I set the mood for him to relax, have his alone time, whether he decides to listen to music, whether he decides to listen to the scripts. This is one way that I feel like helps him relieve stress. I also love to add in a nice bubble bath. Here I'm using the bubble bath by Dr. Teal's. This is one of my favorite because it has melatonin in it and it helps relieve muscle aches, pains, and promotes a healthier sleep.
In time, would you say you ought to be able to wrap this up in 24 hours?
I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Shalom.